Okay, so this is part 2 of my video showing the setup of my MBtek 5-ton heat pump air conditioning system. From the outside, we have the power. Um, there's a disconnect at the top, and then a box for the communication wire that is coming from the condenser unit, and that comes into the heat pump station. The heat pump station is receiving and pushing water out to the condenser on the outside. And let's see, there's a Wi-Fi cable that you see kind of hanging there, and that connects to a Wi-Fi dongle with its own power supply that you need to set up. And then here I've set up the well, we have the little control module that connects to the condenser unit outside, that you can turn on and off the system and control the temperature settings and a lot of the configurable options for the condenser unit. The actual heat pump system is done through this interface here. So you can put this interface, I have it down here in the basement, but you could put it upstairs if you wanted to. There's I think about a 15, maybe 20 foot long data cable that plugs in kind of like a phone jack into the back of this control unit. So from the heat pump station, like I said, you got a vent, and then kind of like a release valve that will relieve over 75 psi. And on the left side, you have going up stairs to the main manifold. There's a pressure gauge and a temperature gauge that I've installed. There's a couple of spigots that I installed per recommendation to fill and drain the system with a ball valve in the middle, so you can turn on and off. And sitting on this little shelf here is the buffer tank that will help provide a good quantity of stored energy for the system. And coming out of that, there is a bypass valve here that will engage to allow water to continue to circulate when the system is on if all of your thermostats are off. So what that does is, when all of your thermostats are off, all of the actuators on your manifold will be closed,